What's good, YouTube? It's your boy AC Coolin, aka Big AC, back again with yet another banger for y'all, man. Now, honestly, for this pair, I really wasn't gonna do a review on it because I was like, this ain't really like no crazy sneaker, you know what I'm saying? Most people don't really care for it, but honestly, I was like, you know what, man? Some people might want to know more about this shoe if they don't know about it already. So I figured I might as well get my own personal opinion on my own, like, you know, personal spin on this sneaker, you know what I'm saying? So I ain't gonna do like, you know, too much with it, but I'm gonna definitely give y'all like my own personal review on how I feel about the look of it, the colorway, the size, and all that, man. So let's get into this review right here, man. So as you can see, y'all see the box, man. You know what I'm saying? Got that OG style Nike kind of box to it, man. If you don't know what these are by now, these are the Nike Nocta Glide. So this is Drake's Nike sneaker that he dropped, I think it came out like a few weeks back or something like that, a week or two ago. And this isn't his first shoe, of course. And of course he had like the other Noctas that I got. These Noctas that came out like about a year ago, I think, a year or two ago, these right here. So this is like his second Nike shoe or whatever. You know, of course he had the Forces as well, but the shoe is a Nocta Glide. The colorway is black, white, and clear. So just a white and black shoe, nothing crazy, nothing out of the ordinary, nothing new with this, nothing different with this. Just a plain black and white shoe, nothing crazy going on with this. But overall, I like the look of the shoe. To me, it looked dope. It looked, you know what I'm saying? It's a cool looking shoe in my opinion. Now the paper itself, you got this like, this ice blue kind of paper. You probably can't tell kind of the color on the camera, but it's like an ice blue type of color, like a baby blue, powder blue type thing going on with the paper. But you know what I'm saying? Something a little different than your typical paper that come with Nike shoes. And of course you got the typical white paper as well in the box. Y'all can see that right there. You know what I'm saying? Just something that Nike always does with their paper. Now on to the shoes themselves, man. So up jump, you know what I'm saying? You got this is like the Nocta Glide. That's the name of the shoe, the Nocta Glide. In my opinion, they give me they remind me of the Jason Kidd shoes that came out like way back when. You know, if you're an OG sneakerhead, you know what I'm saying? You know shoes from way back when. You know how the Jason Kidds look. This shoe gives me that Jason Kidd style to it. This is like that same kind of look to it to an extent. Get that nostalgic feeling to it. Even came with this look, you know, nostalgic box as well. So that's, you know what I'm saying, something different, something dope in my opinion that, you know, they could have, I guess, left out with the box and then the shoe itself. But it kind of gives you like that OG style feel to it because it is, you know, the shoe, the colorway, all that. But overall, man, I'm impressed with the shoe. You know what I'm saying? It's simple and it get the job done. It's nothing, you know, too flashy, nothing too crazy, nothing out of the ordinary. But as with the old, you know what I'm saying, Nocta pairs, this pair, in my personal opinion, it does fit kind of snug. You know what I'm saying? I got a size 11 and a half with these. I didn't get a size 11 like I normally would. So I had to go up half a size with this shoe. So they do fit kind of snug. When I put them on, the 11 and a half fits perfect. Like I tried these on when I got them in yesterday. Tried them on yesterday and that 11 and a half fit perfect, man. Like I didn't, there's no complaints at all with me with that size. So if you do decide to get this shoe, you know what I'm saying, in this colorway or future colorways that come out, you know what I'm saying, depending on what you prefer with this shoe, I suggest going up half a size. Maybe if you think that you can fit your true size with that shoe, go with your true size. But personally, I would go up half a size. Granted, yeah, you can get your true size and it still will fit, but you got it's a more of a break-in period as opposed to getting, you know, a half a size up. You don't got to worry about that long extra break-in period to get the shoes to fit how you want them to fit. But they don't come in anything special, you know what I'm saying? You get your paper shoe inserts in the shoe, nothing crazy, you know, no extra laces, nothing that's like just gonna scream like, okay, this is a Drake sneaker, you know what I'm saying? This doesn't nothing about this shoe is gonna be like, okay, this is Drake. You know how you get the Travis Scotts, you get the reverse swoosh, or you get like the different branding logos. This shoe, I mean, of course you get the, you know, the Nocta logo on there. Drake's little logo he has on all of his shoes he comes out with, but it's nothing that's just gonna like off jump scream, okay, this is a Drake sneaker. This is a shoe that is inspired by Drake, for Drake, by Drake, all that, you know what I'm saying? This isn't like that kind of look to it. But overall, you know what I'm saying, like I said, I'm impressed with it. I'm cool with it. Cool, in my opinion, it's a cool casual sneaker, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing you don't gotta do too much with these. You don't gotta try to find no crazy fit. You don't gotta try to do nothing out of the ordinary to get these shoes to pop, because the shoes they a statement all on its own. You know what I'm saying? The shoes talk for themselves, in my personal opinion, man. Cool little dope details. You got Nike going across the side right there. You can see that little Nike spelled out on the little, it's like golf clubs or something. I don't know what this is, like some golf clubs or something on the side of these, but it's on both sides of the shoe. Nike being spelled out on both sides. So that's another little dope detail I got in the shoe. You got the swoosh on the actual toe box area right there as well. No other crazy details on the back of it. It does say G-Tech, if y'all can see that. G-Tech, I don't know exactly what G-Tech is. And it might be like some kind of a, I guess, design or material or something they use. And on the bubble, it does say Nocta, but it's like real, like you can barely see it. But let me see if I can get y'all to see that on that little bubble. If y'all can see where it says Nocta. You probably can't see it, but it does say Nocta on there. It's on both bubbles, matter of fact. So you do have the Nocta logo and branding on the shoe and like in random places. I feel like in other colorways, the Nocta on the bubble would show up more. I think I've seen pictures in other Nocta Glides where like the Nocta wording came up a little bit more because of the colorway, but this pair in particular doesn't really come up. I think it's the same. Yeah, it's the same with both shoes. So both shoes are the same, nothing different. You know what I'm saying? But overall, man, I'm impressed with them. They look cool in my opinion. They different. It's a different look. I guess it's a casual shoe. Some, if you want to go to the gym or something, you know, you put like, you know, like a little Nike Tech on or just a little casual fit. You ain't trying to do too much. You want to just, you know, be subtle with it. You know what I'm saying? Throw these joints on. They go with anything. They go with any and everything. So put these joints on. Hey, you in action. You in business. Now the soles themselves get that, you know what I'm saying, that ice blue sole with the yellow accents all over it. So that's another little dope touch in my opinion they did to the shoe. So overall, I'm impressed with it. It's not like no flashy sneaker. It's not like something like I said, like a Travis Scott or like a Union or a Ama Manier. It's nothing like that. It's just a Nocta sneaker, you know what I'm saying? No extra laces, nothing in the box that came with it. Just regular, you know what I'm saying, Noctas. And I did get these off the Nocta website. I wasn't gonna copy at first. I'm like, yeah, they cool, but I don't really care for them. Then when I logged out the website, I get an email saying, oh, here's your 15% off code. I said, you know what, 15% off, why not? You know, I'm paying less than retail at that point, so why not? So I paid a good price for these, you know what I'm saying, a real decent price. So I'm satisfied with that. Like I said, I'm probably gonna use these as like a gym shoe or like something like a casual fit, something to throw on real quick when I don't feel like putting slides on. I want to have something like this on, you know, something that's comfortable, something that's gonna get the job done. I could probably run in these, you know, whatever I want to do. This is like that, yo, all-purpose sneaker in my opinion. Now, I don't know if y'all, you know, what kind of lifestyle y'all living. If y'all talking about going hiking and stuff like that, I wouldn't advise, you know, I say all-purpose. I wouldn't advise hiking in these, but anything else you want to do, grocery shopping, the gym, little casual, you know, outings with your girl or your friends or whoever you with, put these joints on right here, man, you be straight. You know what I'm saying? You don't gotta do too much with them. You know, the shoes, they speak for themselves, like I said. Like, these speak for themselves. So you don't gotta do too much with these. These, in my opinion, are a great sneaker, great colorway. Materials don't feel, I don't really know what kind of materials this is. I guess it's like an all mesh type of shoe. So no leather really at all. This is like a foam material around the, where the bubbles and everything is. Like all this stuff is like foam. So it's not like no high quality materials on this shoe. It ain't like no, you know what I'm saying, no high quality suede or leather and stuff like that. It's just a regular, everyday, casual sneaker. I've heard somebody say this is like Nike's version of the Wave Runner or like the 700. So I kind of see it, but once again, you know, for the OG sneakerheads out there, the Jason Kids did come out with this same kind of design, a similar design back in the day. So this takes like inspiration from that shoe, you know what I'm saying? It pays homage to that old shoe, in my personal opinion, that old Jason Kids shoe. So if you've seen those, you know what I'm talking about, man, that OG style of a sneaker. So, but overall, once again, I'm not upset with this purchase. I'm not upset with this pickup. Definitely a dope shoe, something that I can see myself putting on for my little, I might actually went to the gym and give me a smooth, little solid little workout in, you know, so do something with these. But as always, cop what you like, rock what you like. Don't just cop something because the next person says it's popular, or you see somebody else with it on that's, you know, maybe social media famous or Instagram famous. Wear what you like, man. If you don't like these, don't go out there and buy if you saw the next person with them on, you know what I'm saying? But if you do like them, they affordable, they're not expensive, and they're comfortable. But go up half a size if you do decide to get these. Go up half a size in these, and I don't think you'd be disappointed with that pair. In my opinion, I'm not disappointed. So I'm actually happy with it. Glad I copped these, glad they're in my collection. They're gonna be a nice little casual shoe, a nice little gym shoe, all that good stuff, man. So I'm definitely gonna put these to good use. But with all that being said, man, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos, tuning into my channel, man. If you're new here, and smash that subscribe button as well, man. I'm almost at 600 subscribers. We constantly growing, the channel getting bigger and bigger. So, you know what I'm saying? I get more videos coming, more unboxing videos, more reviews, more, you know, might even do a couple more real versus fake videos. If you haven't seen my last few, I did the Travis Scott, the black olives, the real versus fake on that pair. And then I did the black Soul Jordan 1s, another real versus fake I did. So just stay tuned. I might have more real versus fake videos coming in the near future. Just Be on the lookout for that. But if you're not subscribed, you know, like I said, smash the subscribe button. If you are subscribed, make sure the notification bell is turned on. You know what I'm saying? Y'all sharing the videos, y'all liking them. Don't just, you know, make sure if you like what you see, man, leave that thumbs up. All support, you know, it goes a long way. And with that being said, man, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos, tuning into my channel, and I'm catching y'all on the next one, man. Peace.